Everybody, and tonight I am going to be talking about the Suarez Firecracker 250 at the Daytona International Speedway.
So they got a jockey very aggressive.
Alright, so let's get started. So, it was a very good weight, a lot of weight here, and it hit a lot of yellow hit weight too. It hit like 8 yellow hit weight, 5 yellow before the halfway mark. So yeah, it was pretty much a lot of acid hit weight tonight. And I'm having a 45 compared acid tonight weight. As you guys know, Daytona, a bit more might have it, and it has it tonight. So here is a bit more.
For position before the competition yellow. Elliott Sadler. Oh, the 6 of Darrell Wallace Jr. is going to go around. He catches the 48. The big one happens in front. 2 of Austin. Dillon is collected. 3 of Ty Dillon gets through.
Definitely left front damage.
Brennan Poole involved in the 48. You see the 19 part. Daniel Suarez. But you see right here, there's a gap between the 6 and the 48. As that gap starts to close, the 48 hits him once, everything's fine. And then he hits him a second time closer to the right rear corner, and you see that starts to move the tail of the 6 from left to right. Darrell Wallace Jr. does the best he can to regain control, but at these speeds he loses control, gets into the 20, and then you start to see just back and forth. You see the 19 and Daniel Suarez as it leaves the screen, almost has it collected. The 2, great to see that car come back onto the ground. We saw cars go airborne in Talladega. That car could have easily went up into the air and flipped over. The roof flaps open, the cowl flaps open, set the 2 back on the ground. Contact, Eric Jones fell.
Hold it.
Eric Jones. Go around and then the contact there.
We just got caught the right rear. We made it through it, but then we got clipped in the right rear. Going to come to you with the right side damage, guys.
I'd seen the 6 side draft, the guy in front of him, and the 48 just got into him, but it's just a product of guys trying too hard too early for competition caution 10 laps from now. I seen it out of my side, out of my peripherals. I tried to go low, just didn't get low enough, so I knew when the 6 was up there, I didn't know what was going to happen, but part of it, I guess, is just speedway racing. I wish I would have went lower. I made the mistake of not getting low enough when I saw it. Thought I'd missed it, but part of it, and just proud of these Dream guys. They brought a fast car.
We're seeing a lot of bump drafting already. What's it been like out there so far?
I mean, it's part of it. The cars line up fine, so you just kind of have to know when you're pushing a guy sideways, I guess, is the biggest thing. I mean, when you get to somebody, you want to be lined up square and push them straight, and you don't have to side draft this early in the race. That's another thing.
Alright, so have video. Yep, the pit will have it really always is away. I believe have it always like lap 15, I believe. Oh yeah, really always have a pit will have it, but it has it always is away. So yep, crazy. But like I said, it's a corner, you never know when a pit will have it. It may have it always is away, it may have it near the end of the way. Well, tonight it has it always is away. So, yep. Alright, so now my hope is to the final lap of the race. For you guys to see
There's more to me than just driving race cars. At my office.
what are to win the race tonight at Daytona. So here is the final lap. Here we go.
Giving a shove to Eric Almirola, and into the wall goes David. David Reagan slamming into the wall.
Behind you, no caution yet. Outside.
Darrell Wallace Jr. quick across the inside wall. The caution has not come out. The race is still on. Justin Allgaier on the high side. Eric Almirola on the bottom of the racetrack. Coming at turn 4. And the caution will come out. Now we'll have to go back to video to find out who was in the lead when the caution light came out.
See, the light's green. It's still green.
We're slowing it down. Light's still green. Light is still green as we look forward to the next one. Now it's off in yellow. And right there, how do you determine from this view? That is so close between Allgaier and Almirola.
So by that view, I think it's pretty clear that 98 is in front. I mean, that's a much better view.
Yeah! Awesome job, Fred Biaggi. Way to call. Fuel only, buddy.
Eric Almirola, the 98. Almirola wins at Daytona again.
Hello, you high school from Ontario. Eric Almirola went home to win a race tonight at Daytona. Wow. And I gotta say, how a few minutes, I really hope NASCAR was gonna let him finish on the way. They were so full to finish on the way, but I think that accident was a little too fast, and it for safety, NASCAR threw a yellow. Right before he got to the finish line, so I gotta say, it's alright at NASCAR here. I was hoping they will let him finish on the way and have me in for the finish. But even though the yellow came out, it was still a for the finish mostly, because it was cast full between Eric Almirola and fucking Allgaier. But it looked like when the yellow light came on, Eric Almirola was full a little bit ahead of fucking Allgaier when the yellow light came on. But yeah, it was a pretty full finish. It wasn't nice if they finished under the free flag, but it was still a free finish. So now I'm going to go into Eric Almirola taking away into here.
A photo finish victory for Eric Almirola in your home state of Florida. Did you even know that you won the race?
No, I knew it was close. I knew it was really close. I had a good push from the 18, and I tried to side draft the 7 the best I could to try and stay in front of them. I knew they wrecked behind us. I was like, when are they going to throw the caution? I knew I was in front of them. Man, that was crazy. This is so cool. What a season we've had. We've had just a horrible season over on the Cup side, and things just haven't gone our way. And God, I'm so glad to be back in victory lane here at Daytona. This is such a special place for me. I won my first Cup race here 2 years ago, and for me, this is my first Xfinity win. I know I have a win, but there's always been that asterisk next to it, and I've been dying to get back in victory lane in an Xfinity car, so that way I can have said that I've won in all 3 series without that asterisk next to my name. So I just want to thank the good Lord, and I told my son Alex in the motorhome, he was pouting because he didn't want to come inside from playing on the playground.
There's Alex down here right now.
Yes, we won! Yes! I told him he was pouting because we came inside from playing on the playground, and I told him that if he came in and ate his dinner,
Abby Lynn over here too.
Abby's with us too. I told him if he came in and ate his dinner, that Daddy was going to go race an Xfinity race, and we were going to get a trophy tonight. And we got a trophy! Yes!
Okay, well, Eric Almirola officially went into here. Eric Almirola happy, and even his son was happy too, and his high school. That night when you see his little hit officially went. Alright, and now I'm going to try what a point system look like after tonight wait, and what a fleet look like right now. Here's a point system. Holy hot. Taylor Florida Super Point Wheel, Elliott Sadler hit, Ty Harris 2, Flippin' Allgaier 4, and Suarez 2 fit. Okay, what a point system look like right now. Now I go into what a fleet look like right now after tonight wait. So, here and what a fleet look like right now after tonight wait. Here we are. Wake up. Eric Wall Tail wanted and Elliott Sadler. Tail right now. He's 3 flyers to a walk and with a win. And Henry up for the Allgaier. With his two. With his four. With his two. Tail over to the wide he and 3-2. Right now, he has 8 flyers walk and a point right now. Oh yeah. That was a point look like right now. It's 20 foot right now. And we shoot up a couple more races before the flight. Probably at rate maybe 9 or 8. Something like that. But yeah. Alright, so I think I'm moving all the way on the clubhouse. It was a great finish. But yeah, so that was the Huawei Firecracker 250. So now next wait. And gonna be a whole free Huawei. And here's her information. So next week is gonna be another Friday night wait, July 8th, at the Kentucky Motor Speedway. Freeway will be at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wait is gonna start at about 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and follow here on the NBC Sport Network. So we hope you get Kentucky next week. See how that's gonna be. And another Friday night wait. So 2 weeks in a row with a Friday night wait. So this is you. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you guys for the whole 300 rate review video next week. Bye everybody.